in class 6. I'm doing coding from Sir Ibn Muhammad Yar, and today I'm sharing something playful and glowing. A mini game I built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It's called Guess the Number and it's wrapped in neon shadows. So let's dive into the magic behind the screen.
And this is all the code, name of my game, and in heading 2 I have written choose a number 1 to 100, and in here I have used input type, and there I have used two buttons. I have styled them directly, and one is named submit and another is named reset. Here we will see the message whether is it correct or it's high or low, and here it's we can see how many we attempted, and it's all JavaScript function. It's the variables, and this is the function, and this is all the body of the function. So let's see its output. It is its output, and let's try a number like 54, and it's too high, so let's try 29. It's too low. 78. It's too high. 56. 38. And what about yeah, the 50 is the correct number, and I attempt 14 to be corrected. And now I from reset it all resetted. Thank you.